Welcome to Amasika TV. And I have with the breaking news. It just happened in the area. But keep on subscribing, keep on watching Amasika TV. We'll bring you all latest news and breaking news across Ghana. Then I'll bring you. Hello, family. Sunny American. Yanti asempa yanti asem the Cecilia Mino say in Jomukra not long ago. Accident BSC people so was somewhere Western region. It was between a mini Ford and a truck. Emma Nippon more Ford they have been bent without recognition like Ghana accident is in a happening. Over 3 weeks or 2 weeks and less than a year, ABC or Lagos student belong to school now a film. I think Ghana was on we before. Oh yeah, mami going video nature how everything happened at Air Coast here. That was in the Western region because of why. Mami
around Piposo, about 14 passengers has been bent because of accident. Oh my God, everybody is dead. Everybody is dead.
Yeah, what a video no boost any be to coin from Takrady to Accra. And as any part we boost any what to coin a friend no national safety. Mr. Share this video, subscribe, and I know say fire service for so every do no more because egusu say. But I wonder on taking pictures of it now. I wonder so on phone and here is pollution because some has already happened. Keep on liking, keep on watching Amasika TV. We'll be back again.